You're done. You give up on life now. Dude. What?
Sweating.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the vlog. Today we are in Corona with Sheldon. He's putting an angle kit on his 350Z that I believe he's going to be giving away at some point.
Yeah, I just have to do some legal things.
Yeah, he has to get some paperwork figured out with that.
I'm not trying to spend the night in jail.
But on Thursday, there's this thing called Thursday Night Drift at Irwindale, and him and I are going to be driving his car. So that video will be up sometime next week, because this is... What's today? Saturday. Today's Saturday, and we're gonna film this now, and drifting's Thursday, so it's good. It's in a little while, but you guys will see that. I'm gonna try and figure out a helmet, like, microphone thing that TJ has. I'm gonna ask him what he uses, and we'll get some clips of Sheldon driving. I've never drifted a 350Z, so we'll see like how they are. Everyone says they're really good, and especially with the PBM angle kit, it should make a huge difference. Do you have a bucket seat in there? Negative. But you have a hydro.
Yeah, we have a hydro.
Okay, and this is the... What version angle kit is this?
This is the newest one.
But it doesn't have the knuckle, it's just the lower control arm and...
Yeah, that one has the knuckle though.
Oh, okay. This is Sheldon's other car. This has the full kit with the knuckle, and he has a bash bar and roll cage and everything else you can ask for. Also carbon fenders. I think he might have a set of those for sale. Do you?
I might.
You might, just maybe for the right person.
Yeah, for the right person and for the right price.
So what's up with the alignment?
I just like eyeballed all the measurements on the like heims and everything.
Do you like count the threads per each side?
Yeah, you know what I did?
Yeah.
See this piece of cardboard?
Oh my gosh.
I measured this. See how that fits right there?
Uh-huh.
And then one over here. You see how it fits right there? That's what I did.
I mean, it is like good, yeah.
Get the fuck off my car!
Oh my god, Sheldon.
You don't care, that thing's a pile.
These are Jace's new shoes, Sperry's. If you guys have any Sperry's, let Jace know.
Yes, you have these and an 11s?
Those and an 11.
I will buy them.
They stopped making them.
They stopped making them.
So if anyone has them.
Anyone has them.
If anyone has them.
If anyone has them.
Anybody has them. Hey, just real quick. If anyone has them.
If anyone has them.
Oh, I wanted to show you guys this. So at full lock, you can see right here, this is the back of his headlight. It's literally like touching. Yeah, it is. That's a problem with the 350Zs. It has nothing to do with the angle kit or anything. It's strictly a 350Z problem.
So right here, at full lock, it hits against this. So if you grind like probably a 1/4 inch off of that,
You just get that much more angle.
Like if you look over here, it's hitting.
Oh yeah, you can see that.
So you just.
It's kind of hard to see with the camera.
You take off a little bit.
Yeah.
It actually helps a lot.
Yeah,
like
definitely.
Sean's kit isn't ground down. Sean's kit's not ground down, and he notices like
a big difference.
Like within driving my car before I had the drop knuckle.
Uh-huh.
Oh, like a phone book?
Oh, like a phone book, or I can't show it on the video.
Jace just zip tied.
Jace zip tied the camera to my hand.
Oh my!
Actually, you can disconnect it from here to hold the camera. Oh no, you can't. You can't. Wait. Twist it. Spin it.
It's gonna be fun to watch.
Vlogger for life.
I'm a vlogger for life.
Full commitment.
Go to the bathroom.
Oh, oh my.
Or like a little, oh. But forgot, lost on what were we saying? Oh yes, what I was saying was dude, one time I rolled fenders on my 240 and we got a whole bunch of newspaper and like stacked it and then just kept lowering it and raising it, lowering it, raising it, and it slowly pulls it out without baconing the fenders. Like
Is it newspaper?
Newspaper, not a phone book, newspaper.
Newspaper.
We had to get a lot of newspaper.
Damn. Yeah, I've used phone books. Huh?
Die.
Yeah, it's fucking nice out. Who's trying to smoke some loud? Feel me?
It's fucking nice out. Who's trying to chill, smoke some loud, feel me?
See how there's nobody in my car right now?
What, was there someone in your car before?
No, but how are my front wheels not spinning right now?
Oh.
Nobody's pressing on the brake.
That's Sheldon wanted to show you guys a hack. Is you put the screwdriver in between your brake.
Has to be a flathead.
Yeah, flathead in between your brake pad and rotor. Or is it
So
your
you put
caliper?
it through the caliper right here, and
Yep.
it goes into these slots. So instead of like,
okay.
so instead of like,
it goes into these slots right here.
yeah.
Dude, look how smooth these fucking angles are with this chair. You guys see that? Or are you looking at my ass? Careful there.
Careful.
Sheldon has his own brand. What is it?
Sorry.
Sorry. It's called Sorry Works with an E, not an O. Sorry Works. So these are his fender vents that he makes. It's like he had them customly fitted for his car, and then he had them made for his brand. It's like super cool. That inlays into the fender. There's nothing like it. If you guys want them, check them out. I'm gonna have the Instagram right here, and I will put his, what is it, Shopify or?
No, it's Stripe, but I'll throw the website on there.
And then we'll put the website in the description below. So go check it out. He has shirts, hats, sweatshirts, and fender vents, and maybe more car parts coming soon.
Yeah.
Sheldon's girlfriend has a CT200h F Sport, and they just bagged it and put some pretty sick wheels on it. Are you gonna air out, Aaron? Oh. Oh.
All the way.
All the way.
Ready?
Oh. Oh. That's on the wheel. Oh my.
It's a hybrid.
It's a hybrid. You literally can't even fit a dollar bill in between that. That's fitment. That's the perfect bag fitment. I hate when people tuck all the way under. I mean,
Front
okay.
needs like a little spacer, but it's pretty chill.
Yeah, that's not bad. That's really good. It actually looks really good. It's the first time I've seen it in person.
These are my
They
favorite.
already. Why did that rip? What is that? Was it? Oh, it was a third.
I don't know, but I'm really sweating. You guys cannot touch me. Stop it.
Oh. 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 Fitment.
Really?
This?
Oh fuck! I need to straighten my belt.
Okay. This is not even 2 fingers, and the car isn't on the ground yet.
And it has an angle kit.
But somehow it's gonna work, right?
I mean, if we have to roll it with like a fucking bat, it's happening.
Dude, we could just use my like. Oh! Gah! Gah! It's so dirty. My hands are so dirty.
Why is it so fucking low? Still on the wood. Why is it so fucking low?
It's not gonna make a difference, Jace. Okay. I'm just gonna make a nice assumption that's not gonna be driftable.
Oh, I'll raise it a little bit.
Like, a little more than a little bit. That's gonna throw off the whole alignment too.
It'll be fine.
Oh, okay. Just a nice drip. Nah. There's no way.
No, I have to raise it.
There's no way, dude.
No!
5! Fuck!
Fire normally burns.
Are you trying to kill us?
But he catches on fire.
It's plastic.
Shouldn't be legal.
Shouldn't be legal. Should be one of those Starbucks cups, huh? No straw. That'd keep it from catching on fire.
Yeah, and then the ice like
Yeah.
hits you in the
And then
back of the
just, like,
throat.
right
You're like,
there. Just right. Bring a fish back. Bring a fish back. Yeah, you're good now.
Yeah?
That's crazy. So on WiseFab, the way that this setup is it has, it's like called roll center, I believe, and it's what happens is your wheel like gains and loses camber as you go through it. I'm pretty sure that's what it is, and so that's why you'll have like positive camber on one side and then like negative camber on the other side. And so PBM, like I said, is more of a cut knuckle style setup, and WiseFab isn't. And so on WiseFab, it's like perfectly up and down all the way around. So you can never have fitment like this because this loses and gains camber, which gives you that extra clearance. So go back to normal, Sheldon, like straight. So literally on my car, the reason why my RX-7 literally has this big of a gap is because it will not clear. So like seeing this, when I first saw it, I was like, there's no way that's gonna clear at all, but it does. Sheldon got the cars back inside the shop now. The angle kit's all on, everything was successfully done today. All he has left to do is the rear arm so he doesn't have so much camber so it don't go through tires like immediately. But if you haven't subscribed to me yet, please hit that subscribe button, like, comment down below, and Drifting video is coming soon. I'll see you guys in the next video.